The Earth is filled with a diverse set of environments, from vibrant rainforests to dark caves. Though in this video, we will be exploring some of the most extreme environments on Earth, what makes them extreme, and the adaptations of animals that live there. Starting with the deepest point on Earth's surface, the Challenger's Deep, which is around 11 kilometers deep in Marianas Trench. It's pitch dark with unfathomable water pressures, as pressure increases by 1 atmosphere every 10 meters. So at this depth, we have the pressure of 48 jumbo jets squishing on us. Some animals, such as single-celled organisms, sea fleas, and snailfish, still call this place home. Food sinking from above doesn't reach down here often, so many microbes feed off of chemicals such as methane to survive. Now let's jump to the high-altitude mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas, where Mount Everest is, at around 8,800 meters. The environment here has very low oxygen, is very cold, and has very little vegetation. Though as expected from nature, many organisms still manage to find ways to live there. The majority of fauna that live in those environments all have high hemoglobin oxygen affinity, meaning that they can take in oxygen more efficiently. Some tribes of humans, such as the Tibetan Highlanders, live up to 4,500 meters with this adaptation. Moving back onto the surface, we have the hot and dry deserts. Temperatures here can range from 49 degrees during the day to negative 18 degrees at night, because there is so little humidity. Water is an insulator that traps heat. Without it, the hot deserts get heated up and cool down very quickly. Lizards and other cold-blooded animals thrive in the desert, since their body temperature fluctuates with the extremes. However, some warm-blooded animals, such as camels, also thrive there, as they have very thick insulating fat, preventing them from gaining too much heat during the day and losing too much heat at night. To chill ourselves down, we will next visit the coldest place on Earth, where it can reach down to negative 90 degrees. Antarctica has very little humidity, similar to deserts, and there is no direct sunlight here, even with 6 months of daylight in the summer. Animals here must find ways to insulate any heat possible, leading to water and windproof fur coats in the case of penguins, or thick layers of blubber in the case of whales. Small limbs also help, as those will reduce a surface area where heat escapes. Lastly, we visit the most extreme, volcanoes, where we can even find a richer biodiversity of life. Volcanic environments can either be on the surface or in the water, spewing out lava up to 1,200 degrees, along with rich minerals such as sulfur and potassium. This is a buffet for chemosynthetic bacteria, who convert minerals into sugar from chemical energy instead of sunlight. Because of the rich nutrients from the volcanoes in the soil, plants thrive around here, leading to plant consumers such as shrimps and flamingos to feed comfortably. And there we have it. The Earth is filled with treacherous environments that can kill us even with the best equipment, yet such a wide variety of life is able to call those environments home. Research in those environments are crucial to our understanding of evolution and adaptation, despite all the risks, so it's very important to preserve even the most inhabitable places for humans. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and stay hydrated.